In Electude, by enabling teamwork, the results of two students on one module can be linked. This way, students can work together on a module, while the results appear on both student accounts. To enable teamwork on two students, first, assign a module to a group. Then go to the Students page, and click on the module that we have just assigned. Then click on a student that has not started the module yet. Then select a student from the same group, from the drop-down menu to link their results. Note that only students that are not linked yet, and have not started the module yet, may be selected. The user group icon indicate that teamwork is enabled on the two students.